Alright, so I just got back from Home Depot, and I did get another fan with the Home Depot gift card that my sister gave me. So I'm actually, as you guys already know, I have one already, which that's permanently in the game room. So I wanted one more to for everywhere else. But today what I gotta do is I gotta get this thing out of here. I gotta get that in the game room in its corner, because this stuff is actually in the way. So what I'm gonna do is I'm going to customize that really quick and then put it in the game room. And then afterwards we'll unbox this and have a little fun. We'll be needing this. Perfect. What I think is, I think the torso section is a little too tall. There we go. Yeah, these are the arms. Oh, see, in every video, I keep forgetting every video. Gotta have the tunes. Alright, so let's put this. Alright, so I think I just gotta cut that down. Let's see what happens. I do it about 3 inches. Bam. That's looking better. Yeah, that's good. That's good. That's just about my height, minusing my neck. I like that. Perfect. All right. I think it's done. I think taking this off was just right. All right, let's take it inside. Oh, that actually fits good. That actually is good. It's not. I thought it would be a tad bit more bulkier than that, but it's not. Fantastic. I like that. I might put some. I know, puppy. I know. Alright, so that's all like that. Now let's go get the final piece. Oh, that's nice to have that. Oop. That's alright. Next time I wear the suit, I'll put that back on. Let's take that with. Final piece. And there we go. I'm gonna have to fix that. Next time I wear the suit, that's supposed to be like that. The zip tie is stretched out. But yeah, but that's my suit. Looks good. Looks good in the game room. Awesome. I missed that thing because it was my old game room in the condo, but now it's here. Awesome. Yes, and as you guys know, this channel, my YouTube channel is pretty much a Ryobi channel and fixing up my house. Now the only reason why I'm even showing you that suit, it's because I do plan on making a Ryobi suit, which would be awesome. And I will actually wear that to Comic-Cons. I think it would be cool to have like cast a drill and then paint it the colors, you know, so it's extremely light, so it's not heavy like a real drill is. Cast one, mold it, cast it, and I'll have an actual drill prop. You know, I think that would be awesome. So yes, that's the only reason why I'm even showing you this suit. I was inspired by what some people were saying, that to build a Ryobi costume, which I think would be awesome. All right, first I gotta blow this stuff off. Perfect. I want to talk about the costume really quick. This is how it started out as. This is paper. And then what I did is this has a single coat of fiberglass resin only, not fiberglass itself, cloth or mesh. This is just the resin. This stuff does get wet, so it needs to be supported so it doesn't lose its shape. I helped make like about probably 15 to 16 Iron Man suits, made 2 Halo suits. No, sorry, like about 5 Halo suits. The first 3 were terrible suits. Terrible suits. I'll upload pictures of those too. But the last 2 suits I made were awesome. Which is one of them is the last one I made is this one right that's in the game room now. But yes, this is how it starts off as resin paper. All right, I am not able to contact LeafsFan123 yet. I'm trying to. I'm trying to message him over YouTube. I'm trying to see if he has something on Facebook. But I cannot get a hold of him yet. Hopefully he will contact me soon. He's the winner of this. I can't get a hold of him yet. I've been trying, but I keep my fingers crossed that he does. Because it does have to be a certain time to where we have to contact each other. Like, I'm not gonna leave this because I don't want this in my garage for months. You know, it needs to go. As you can see, the giveaways are real because I already have pretty much almost everything. So I bought this specifically for the giveaway. And this operates perfectly. I do not need it replaced. I'm taking care of my stuff to make sure that it doesn't break. But yes, LeafsFan1231, please contact me if you're watching. Please contact me. My YouTube is not private. It is open. Send me a message or comment. This is yours. Please contact me. All right, but let's get to opening up the fan. It does not say the size of the fan, but we're gonna find that out by actually measuring it. Of course, it comes with instructions. And, all right, that's a pretty simple, actually taking it out of the box. There we go. Now, like I said, I do have 2 of these. One is designated for the game room. I do not want to introduce that to the elements of the garage, like sawdust or grime. So that's gonna stay clean in the game room. Don't need the instructions for a fan. Oh yeah, but this is pretty much it. It is hybrid. Hybrid means that you could actually put an extension cord on it. You could plug it into the wall, which is awesome. Let's make sure it works. The battery is full. Ow. There we go. And that does work. Very good. It does blow very nicely. It does. The low setting is a good setting. It does not have 3 settings. It's 1 or 2. And the number 2 is powerful, which is awesome. Yeah, that wind, that breeze coming off that is good. So, but yes, it is portable. That is what I love about the OnePlus system. It's portable. Even if you're going to a baseball game, you know, like a little your son or daughter's softball game, or you get to take this with you and it's hot outside. Boom, portable fan, and because it is a low-powered fan, the battery that you have will last for a long time. Like I said in a previous video, 1.5 amp hour battery would last like 2 to 3 hours maybe. But if you get a 4 amp hour in here, it quadruples that. You know, if one 4 amp hour battery would last you like 7 hours or so, you're good. Then you are good. But that is the unboxing of the fan, which I'm glad I got it. I looked at around Home Depot for a while to see if I needed anything within the range of the gift card. I was gonna get the fan for the garage door opener, the accessory for it, but I'm like that. I'd rather have another portable one, because if I needed a fan in the garage, I have one. So I also could bring this on. That's gonna be for another video. But yeah. So that's it. Right, we OnePlus system, awesome. I did not get this. I was not vlogging the time when I was using this for the summer. I am very soon gonna do a review on the 18 volt 13-inch lawnmower. No, 16-inch lawnmower. And so yes, I love that thing. I'm just gonna say I love it. I did sell my gas-powered mower because I got that after I tested it a couple times. I'll explain that later, but I am going to do a review on that lawnmower. It's awesome and I love it. You guys have a good day and thank you for tuning in.